We'll hear argument first this morning in Case 13-1402, Kerry, Secretary of State versus Fazil Din. Mr. Kneedler.
Mr. Chief Justice, and may it please the Court. This Court has repeatedly held that the power to exclude aliens is necessary to defending the nation against encroachments and dangers. It is a power exercised by the political branches of government. Respondent's husband was denied a visa by a consular officer because he was found to be inadmissible under the terrorism provisions of the Immigration and Nationality Act. It is firmly established that as an alien outside the United States, he had no right under the INA or the Constitution to seek judicial review of that determination or for a greater explanation of the grounds given.
That's why I don't like gyms.
Well, we're not a gym. We're Planet Fitness.
No gym intimidation, no lunks, just $10 a month. We're not a gym. We're Planet Fitness.
Could I ask you a question? Assume the following hypothetical. You had a erroneous name, meaning, or there's a duplicate name, a terrorist and a non-terrorist alien. What you're telling us is that there's no remedy whatsoever for the alien to come in and show someone that he's not the guy who's the terrorist.
First of all, no one is excluded under the terrorism provisions of the Act because their name appears in a database. The databases are assembled as raising flags that might warrant further inquiry. Interested agencies who may have intelligence about the individual and report it back to the State Department.
I have a real problem, which is that's what we were told after September 11th. And we have evidence that people were kept for months and months and months, and some were released after there was further probing by the courts, and it was determined that people had been erroneously identified. So I'm not challenging good faith, but I'm just questioning how someone caught up in an administrative nightmare, you're suggesting that the wife has absolutely no interest in her marriage in not having the government arbitrarily keep her spouse out.
And she obviously has an interest, but she is affected only indirectly by the denial of the visa to her husband.